Hey people, so I'm making this video because I have this sweet little guy with me right now, and in this regard I have to just say this, that I think one of the biggest lessons that I've learned in life was, when I was like I write these ebooks, right? So uh, during the course of these certain set of ebooks, I interviewed a whole set of people, and among them there was this auntie. I called her Rekha auntie. She's a friend's mom, and like her daughter is a flight attendant who travels internationally. Like her flight lands sometimes like in India time it is middle of the night, or things like that. So when I was speaking to auntie, she told me that she spoke in Hindi. She said, beta, in life there are things like destiny that you can't I think you can't fight, because no, I mean, only after speaking to auntie I realized that the parents of flight attendants or flight crew and all, and especially now after all this, lockdown and all, I mean, they must be going through a lot of stress, right? For because their child should reach safely. But when I spoke to auntie, she told me, beta, I have complete trust in the God above, and if something is to happen, it will happen either way. So there's no point in worrying. My God, this is just such a simple thing, but I mean, I've begun to apply this philosophy with when I'm around these little baby rabbits, because these tiny little rabbits, whom I consider my little children, they go running and hide under the fridge, under the sofa, and like I'm just so scared that since baby rabbits don't survive all that easily. It's any small thing, and you know, uh, rabbits are known to have these sudden deaths. So I've been like worrying for them so much, but then as of yesterday, whole day I kept thinking of what Rekha auntie said, that certain things you just have to. There is that higher power above, and he's watching over us. And when I just think of this, it is so comforting. Yeah, you realize that there's no point. We tend to worry for over nothing. I mean, because at the end of the day, nothing is in our hands. So thank you, Rekha auntie. I mean, these are things that life teaches you, I guess. So I feel it's just so amazing when someone takes that time out to kind of explain this small little thing to you, because the peace of mind it can give is is something else altogether. So on that note, I really had to make this video, because these small kids, I had almost thought that I will no longer adopt rabbits, but I think I should just adopt this philosophy instead, and my heart is at peace. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.